Okay, here's what a complex fraction is. You're going to see a fraction on top, and you're going to see a fraction on the bottom, and we got to do something with it. Is there really anything new I'm going to show you today? No. You got add and subtract first, combine like terms, common denominator, and then at the end of the problem, we got to divide and multiply. All right, nothing really new. Okay, nothing really new. So here we go. First one, 6/7 divided by 14. Somebody tell me what's on top. Name the fraction that's on top of this. Name the fraction that's in the numerator. 4, what's on top? 6/7, right? So everyone ready? All I'm going to do is write this out. 6/7 divided by, name the fraction that's on the bottom. Wait, there is no fraction. Yes, there is. It's there. It's there. What's the fraction on the bottom? 1?
4 over 1.
4.
No, 14
Yeah,
over 1.
all right, you're rattled. 14 over 1. Have we done something like this already? I hope so. Dividing fractions. 6/7, what's the division change into? Multiplication. And what do I do with the second one? Flip. And is there any variable? No, so I'm going to tell you use your calculator. If there's no variable, go ahead and use your calculator. 6/7 times 1/14. Might as well if there's no variable. What's that one? 3 over
49.
49. Yep. All right, so this one's a very basic one. We didn't have to deal with a variable. Okay, very basic. Didn't have to deal with the variable, but now we will. But I just wanted to get you an idea of what a complex fraction looks like. Fraction on top, fraction on the bottom. So let's go over to 2. Tell me what's on top of this fraction. Tell me what's on top of this fraction. 17, what's on top of this fraction?
X plus 1 divided by x.
Everyone, yes, that's on top. Everyone agrees? I can't have that though. It needs to be just one, single one. All right, so that's where you guys are going to help me today is we're going to bring this down. We're going to find a common denominator and make it into one fraction. Okay, we're going to make, everyone see what I'm talking about? X plus 1. Combine them, please. Need a common denominator first. What's the common denominator between these two? This is stuff we've done now. All right, slow it down and review. 10 here. I'm going to be doing this a lot, and I'm going to get heated by the end. 13. Nice with me. So what's my common denominator here?
X.
Great job. So X. All I'm doing is combining them right now off to the side. That's all I'm doing is combining them. Remember, this is over 1, right? That one, that's over 1. So what do I need to multiply this X by? 2. Common denominator was 1, or X. So what do I still need to multiply it by, Clayton? I'm going right from here to here now. That was a 1. Common denominator was X. So what do I still need to multiply this by?
X.
Yep. And get what?
X squared.
Yep. Everyone, hey, we okay? I'm slowing down here. X squared plus. Oh, relax, relax. Yeah, don't show off. Yeah, I know. You get a little excited. You know what's going on. 16. What do I need to multiply this one by here? Do I?
16, huh? Am I 16?
I don't know. What were you before?
I was 15.
All right, just keep it 15 then. We'll have to redo these numbers tomorrow when everyone gets here. 17. Tim, what do I need to multiply this top one by?
1.
Nothing, right? More 1. Yeah. So it's just going to be plus 1. Is everyone, all I'm doing is combining them. We did this before. We did this last week. It was on your quiz. Ready? Divided by what's on the bottom of this complex fraction? 1.
6.
Just a 6. Nothing I have to do with that. That's it now. Now you go division on me. Keep, multiply, flip. Keep. Multiply, flip. Bless you.
Thank you.
And I'm not changing the rules. Can you factor anything up here? X squared plus 1? X squared plus 1. Can I factor? Oh, how far have we come here? He's either going to get real hyped or real salty. 11 here.
Yeah, I'm
What's up, Nick? How you doing?
good. How are you?
Unbelievable. Thanks for asking. Can I do x squared minus 1?
No,
Why not?
because it's a positive sign.
That's right. Let's go. Can't do it. All right. It's got to be minus. Difference of two perfect squares. So this is a rarity. Soak it in. No factoring. It's a rarity. Soak it in. Which means don't cross off a darn thing if I can't factor. But you still got to tell me what's left on top, what's left on bottom. I may have just dislocated my hip right there, but we're good. It happens when you get old. Amanda, 1. What's all left on top?
X plus 2. No, x plus 1. X squared plus 2.
Times, right? We're not adding them times, so just plus, not 2, just
1.
1. There you go. Have it on the bottom. Redeem yourself.
X.
I got a 6 and an X.
6x.
There you go. That's it. Good. No crossouts there. Doing all right? Number 3, name the top of this complex fraction. What is the top of this complex fraction? 9. Great job, great job, great job. 1. Oh boy, I'm on fire today.
X minus 1 over x.
Great job, right here. So you guys know I got to work on it, right? I got to work on it. I got to combine it into 1. So here we go. What's the common denominator between those two pieces? 12? X. You were ready to fire that one off, huh, Jake? All right, now tell me what I need to multiply by. 2. What do I need to multiply the x by? Good job, because it's over 1, so it's missing the x. So I get x squared here. What do I need to multiply 1 over x by? 4. Well, ready? What's in the denominator? I already got the x. Just the 1, so minus 1. Everyone's good? No issues? Divided by, let's keep rolling. What's on the bottom of this complex fraction? Hey, 6. Good news. Do I need to work on that at all? No, it's already one fraction. I don't need to work on it if the bottom or the top's already one fraction. All right, now there's a little bit more to do than the last problem. X squared minus 1, talk to me. X squared minus 1. 6 again. X squared minus 1. Dig deep, Ron. Let's go. What do you got? Factor it.
X plus 1 and x minus 1.
Darn right. Over x. Division to multiplication. Flip the second. And now let's talk about crossing out. You got it. We can cross out here. Just a matter of what? 9. Great job. 11.
Right.
Take your time, Nick. What do you got? What do you want to cross out?
You can cross out the 1 minus x and the x minus 1.
And you're going to tell me a but.
Then you can cross out the 2 x's.
Well, no. Let's stick where you just had here. But
they're opposites.
Yes.
You have to bring this negative up to the top.
great job. Good. I got you. One more thing to cross out, though. 17.
The x.
Yep. Thanks, Tim. See the only thing left? What's left? Well, I'm going to ask you guys. What's left on top? 16. 6. What's left on top?
X plus 1 and -1.
Yep. So make sure -1, x plus 1. If you don't want to put the 1 there, just leave the negative. You're fine. And I don't know why I put the fraction bar, because is there anything left on the bottom? No, one job. Act like you've been here. You could put it over 1, though. Never going to mark that wrong. How are we feeling, all right? What are you not, looking into the future here, what are you not going to like about this next one? We're going to have to work on both, right? Everyone see that? We're going to have to work on both. All right, what's in the numerator of this complex fraction? 1. Amanda, what's in the numerator?
4 squared over 4 minus b squared. Why did I say 4? B squared over 4 minus 1.
I don't know. But I like how you just asked yourself a question in the middle of the answer there. Here we go. Bring it down. Work on it with me. Common denominator. 16. 16. 7. Common denominator. All right, I'm going to do it. If I go 3 in a row without hitting somebody here, 4. 4 is the common denominator. I'll take it with you guys. I'll contribute. All right, what do I need to multiply b squared by then? 11?
4.
What's in the denominator there, Nick? B squared over?
4.
That is my common denominator, though. So do I need to multiply?
No.
Right? I just leave it.
B squared.
B squared. Everyone okay? I don't need to multiply. If it matches my common denominator, just write it. Not the case in the next one, though. What do I need to multiply the 1 by? 15? 4. Good. Got to multiply it by the common denominator, so it's going to be b squared minus 4 divided by, here's why we're not going to like it, because usually we'd be all right, but now I got to work on the bottom. So somebody help me work on the bottom now and get a common denominator for the bottom. What do you got here for me? Common denominator on the bottom? 11?
4.
4, good. All right, let's go b over 4. Anything you got to multiply by there? 9. 17. Tim, anything I got to multiply the b by over b over 4?
No.
Nope, because 4 matches the common denominator, so it's b. Minus, what's that 1 and 1/2 have to get multiplied by? 1?
And then it has to be multiplied by 2.
Darn right it would be. So I got b minus 2. All right, you know the deal with division now. Keep, multiply, flip. Keep, multiply, flip. Before we keep this one, b squared minus 4. Somebody take care of that for me. 8. 4. B squared minus 4.
B minus 2 and b plus 2.
Great work. Over 4 times flip. All right, cross these bad boys out somewhere. I get a little help crossing out. 10. 13.
B minus 2.
Anything else we want to cross out? 16. 12.
4 and 4.
Yep, 4s can go. So our final answer, little b plus 2 action. Questions, comments? I'm going to do 2 more with you, and then you're going to show me you can do 1 on your own before I let you go to the assignment for today. But anything right now? Oh, hey, how you been?
Good.
Good to see you.
Actually, no.
Good to see you. What do you say with 5 now? Here we go. What's on top of this complex fraction? What's on top? 11?
C over D minus D over C.
Okay, let's work on it. Here you go. Combine it into 1 for me, everyone. I'll take my time here. Take our time. What's the common denominator then? What's my common denominator? What do you think? 9? No, you're just guy. I'm not going to do that to you. 15?
I said DC.
Darn right you did, because you're correct. DC? All right, take your time. This got confusing last period. What do I need to multiply C, this first fraction, by to get to my common denominator? 13? 3?
So what I did is or it's C squared
So what'd you you're getting ahead of me here, boss. What do you multiply this c by? Okay, that's all I needed there. Good job. So I get c squared, yep, minus, next fraction gets multiplied by 17. Tim, what's this d get multiplied by?
D.
C, yep. C, you sure? Take a look. What I got a c in the denominator already and a c in my common denominator. What am I missing?
D.
A d. There you go. We okay working on that? Okay, unfortunately, we got to work on the bottom now too. Give me a common denominator for the bottom of that complex fraction. 8, 7, 12.
C.
C, good work. All right, what are we multiplying by here? Let's start 10, 8, 12.
It would be D plus C.
Okay, hold on. Anything to multiply by here?
No.
No, because the C's match, so I'm left with D plus, now go ahead, what are you multiplying the 1 by?
C.
A C, yep. So plus C. And then divided by in the middle. And can we take it from here now? C squared minus D squared. Come on now. I've been training beast here for the last 2 weeks. 12. 6.
C minus D and C plus D.
I knew it. Change the division to multiplication. Flip. It should be our best time right now. You can finally get to this point. We can cross out. What? Take a peek. Six again, cross out time.
C plus D.
Yep. Now, hey, are those the exact sames or are they opposites?
So the exact same.
Exact same, just written backwards. Exact same, so I don't have to write anything left over. There's one other thing I got up here. I can still cross out one more pair of something. 10. Why am I like shocked that? 7. This is fun. 15.
Do you cross out the C's?
Yes, you can. Well, let me ask her this and everybody else. Any plus or any addition or subtraction here? Then your answer is yes. You can. Now, if I did D plus C or D, I could not do that. But since it's multiplication, you're good. Up top, C minus D. On the bottom, D. Can I cross off these two right here? No, just the exact same thing here. I just talked to Catherine about that. Hey, there's a minus sign there. Can't cross them off. Any questions from you guys? One more together. Tim, what's your deal?
Since it's the opposite, it needs to be negative.
What's opposite?
That is the two.
These two here?
Yeah.
Whoa. Watch it. Ready? Is this a positive C?
Yes.
Is that a positive C?
Same.
They're not opposites.
Oh,
They have to be opposite signs,
right.
right? They're actually the same exact thing. Good? Okay. Good try. You're not going to get me this year. Good try, though. Good news about this next one. How many do I have to work on? Just the top, right? I don't have to work on the bottom there. So let's work on the top. Ooh, be careful here with the common denominator. Is there anything in common here? I don't see anything. So you just got to write the leftovers, which is everything. So what's my common denominator here? Put them both together and get A plus B, and there's nothing you can take there. What's up, boss?
Aren't A and A common denominator?
They are, but remember, when you add and subtract with them, they go together. Like here you go. Here, just make sure. Jake, let's see. Make sure. Like say I put this with this denominator, then you could take out an A plus B. But because I have addition and subtraction, I just can't take the single variables individually. Okay. All right. What's this first 5 missing then? What I'm going to take a look. Its denominator, common denominator. What am I going to multiply that first 5 by? 1. A minute. What I got to multiply it by? Look what the denominator's missing.
A negative.
All right. This is A plus B. Look here. I already have that. What's the only thing I'm missing? I got the A plus B's taken care of.
Oh, you're missing a B.
Oh, I'm missing all of this.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Hey, take a look. What's in the denominator here?
A plus B.
What's in the common denominator?
A plus B plus
And
A minus B.
so what's the one thing you didn't say?
A minus B.
There you go. So that's got to be taken care of. Distribute the 5. 5A minus 5B. All right, I'm going to need a stud for the next one because you might fall into a trap here. Might fall into a trap. 4.
A plus B.
All right, hold on. What do I have to multiply the 5 by?
A plus
Okay, I wasn't worried about that. Here's what I'm worried about. What are you distributing? Everyone, hey, it's subtraction, right? Subtraction. So you can't distribute a 5. Got to distribute the negative 5. So minus 5A minus 5B. Getting ahead of myself. Divided by, flip, there's nothing to work on the bottom. Flip it though. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm just going to write it. One job. Here you go. Divided by that. Can I get some help cleaning this up right here? No factoring. Clean it up though. Combine your like terms. Clean it up. Okay, who's helping me cleaning it up here? 16. Nope. 3. What happens with the 5A's here?
I think I canceled out.
See ya. The B's don't though. Negative 5B minus 5B. What do you got?
Negative 10.
Great job. Times, flip, A squared minus B squared. Anything? A squared minus B squared. 13.
A minus B, A plus B.
Good work. All right, can you help me cross out? We're good. 3. Here we go. What do you want to cross out?
The A plus B and A minus B.
Yep, I can cross both sets out. Oh, you're done.
Oh, sorry.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You're done. Stop showing off. You're done. 4. Anything else?
Can you divide the negative 10 and 10?
Does this have an addition or subtraction? And your answer is yes. So, yep, I can get rid of the 10 and negative 10. But, hey, our rule still applies. They're still what? Yeah, they're still opposites. So, still left with that negative 1. So, only thing I'm left with on top, negative. Why do I keep doing the fraction bar? Negative B. Questions from you guys? All right, time to stop holding hands. Time to let you go on your own here. When you think you have the next one complete, let me know. Number 7. You're going to have to work on top, bottom, or both. Both. Yeah, you're going to work on both. And good news, both of them at least have the same common denominator. right? Because they all have k's in it, so you take the one with the highest exponent. Remember, if they all have the same variable, you take the one with the highest exponent. Call me over if you think you got the answer, and I'll let you go to the assignment if you do. You guys watching this video at home, I'll write down the answer right now and shut the video down. So try it out first and make sure it matches.